All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, still on the matter, Yoruba nation not going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Majority of people have now concluded, most especially the Yoruba people right now, they have concluded that Baba Tinubu should quickly declare Yoruba nation before they tear his cloth. Well, according to what had been gathered, it had been gathered that Nigeria is dead. No one can fix Nigeria. Let's go our different ways. So, is it by force? Obi and then others can't fix Nigeria. Yoruba nation is the solution. Oh, all right, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what we are getting right now. Everybody, in fact, majority of people who actually voted for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they are now coming out, most especially the Nollywood actors, the actors and the actresses. They call them, all of them, actors in quote. They have come out, they are crying. They are like, this is not what we voted for. Baba Tinubu never promised us this. But with what is going on, what do we tell the people we actually talked about the campaign to? What do we tell them? My brother, my sister, this is another strong one that we are getting. Right now, as we speak, a lot of things are going on. Many things are happening. The hardship is too much. In fact, the people can no longer bear it. No. They can no longer bear it. And the worst scenario is that most of the people that campaigned for Bola Ahmed Tinubu are now hiding their faces. They can't come out to let us know the next update. It's just a few of them that are coming out. A lot of names were mentioned that up to now we have not seen them. What is going on? Majority of people have made it clear that as far as this movement is concerned, as far as Emilio movement is concerned, let's forget it all. The only solution is Yoruba nation. According to what Sokoti was saying, Sokoti Alagbede Orun, these were the people who campaigned for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now he's removing himself. That did I force you? He's saying he did not force anybody to vote for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that nobody should call his name. Or if I ask you to put your hand inside fire, will you put it? Are you not matured enough to do the needful? You can imagine. My brother, my sister, you see this life. Just follow the right channel. Now he has denied that he didn't force anybody. That was what Shokoti was saying. Ṣé mo force yẹn ni? Ṣé mo force yín kẹ́ lọ dìbò fún Tinubu ni? Ṣé kúkú dé vote fún Obi yín? Tẹ́ bá ti mọ̀ pé Obi ló lè ṣe, kí ló tẹ̀ ṣe lọ dìbò fún Obi? Ṣé mo force yín ni? You can imagine what he's saying. That's what we are talking about. A lot of people have actually attributed this to this woman. In fact, I think Dúpẹ́ Onítìrì òun ló máa jẹ̀yà gbogbo ẹ̀ báyìí. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn pariwo pé tí ó máa ṣe pé Dúpẹ́ olórí burúkú tó lọ kó tiẹ̀ bá wa, òun ló da ìrìn àjò irú. Dúpẹ́ adagboru, Dúpẹ́ onídọ̀tí. And a lot of people are now like, wait, we were so together with Yoruba nation. We actually had an agreement. You can imagine what the people are now saying. That they actually had an agreement that they will not vote come 2023. Wetin can happen? Ṣé Dúpẹ́ lóògùn fún wa ni? My brother, my sister, no be small thing. Ṣé Dúpẹ́ Onítìrì lóògùn fún wa ni? Bàbá wa Sunday Igboho dẹ̀ sọ ńgbà yẹn o. Come 2023, no election. At the end of it all, we still go vote. Wetin be our problem? Now, it don't happen. You know, one thing about this struggle, the Yoruba Nation movement, there are some set of people you are not supposed to listen to. But majority of people digressed. They followed Dupe Onidoti. Chief Sunday Igboho, they turned his name to Sunday Kutonu. Now, Chief Sunday Igboho is vindicated. They are now all in regret. They are fighting themselves. Wanting Bara Jabai. In fact, Chief Sunday Igboho is a God sent. You see, right now, somebody has been of the opinion that a lot of them that are shouting, oh, please, so let us beg Bola Ahmed Tinubu to allow Chief Sunday Igboho to come to Nigeria. Now, where Chief Sunday Igboho is now is better than where you are. Benin Republic, there is 247 light. The electricity is 24. If you want to get fuel now at a cheap rate, so you now want somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho to come to this country that you are suffering. Benin Republic is now better than Nigeria that you are. So I don't even think somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho will even want to come to Nigeria right now, this period that you people are suffering. That's exactly what we are saying. Before you say Chief Sunday Kutonu, you need to respect that country compared to where you are. That's exactly what we are saying. See, this man, Chief Sunday Igboho, will continue to be vindicated. Right now, everything Chief Sunday Igboho was fighting for is what we are saying. Everything he was fighting for is what we are saying. Bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀, Nigeria ò ní ní ìsinmi o. Àfìgbà tí wọ́n bá jẹ́ kí Yoruba Nation kó dá dúró. This one has been said by one of the Yoruba Nation agitators right now, just released this one. That either they like it or not, Nigeria will have no peace until they allow the Yoruba people to go their separate ways. And exactly what the person just said. Bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀ o, Nigeria ò lè ní ìsinmi. Àyàfi kán fi Yoruba Nation jẹ́jẹ́ kí wọ́n máa lọ ti wọn ní jẹ́jẹ́ ǹjẹ́. My brother, my sister, hey. We have overflocked this. We'll continue to say it. Like that lady that came out earlier, that Bola Ahmed Tinubu has paid. The Emilokan government has paid. She was the one who came out to tell us that it's a lie. Elizabeth Oba Benten. People said I should not call her Oba Nla, that I should be calling her Oba Benten. This woman came out to tell everybody that they are very stupid for lying that the fuel price is more than 488 naira. That why would you want to destroy the regime of Bola Ahmed Tinubu? That why would you say fuel is more than 488 naira? And I ask myself a question. Wait. So on a very good day, fuel of 488 naira, is it normal? Is it normal to even sell it at that price? Let alone the price was even higher than that as at the time of filling this report. My brother, my sister, somebody has just said it, that nobody can fix Nigeria. Even the same Peter Obi you people are talking about cannot fix it. Yes, it had been written, the constitution had been written by the Fulani government, and then they are following the constitution. All these ones you are saying, Bola Ahmed Tinubu saying they will be giving out 80,000 naira. It was not the one that wrote it. Yes, it was the agreement of the Fulani constitution. Either you like it or not, either you believe it or not, my brother, my sister, we are in it together. But anything we tell you on this platform is confirmed. Nǹkan tá bá sọ fún yín lórí ìkànnì yìí, confirm ni, confirmento ni. Gbogbo ohun tá bá sọ fún yín lórí ìkànnì yìí, confirmento ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, exactly what it is. If you are still out there, you are shouting one Nigeria. My brother, my sister, I pity your generation, because as far as this country is concerned, we have seen it all. Do you know the year we started praying for Nigeria? Oh, let's pray for Nigeria, let's pray for Nigeria. Do you know how long it had been that we've been praying for this country, Nigeria? We are praying. Till today, we are praying. Oh. My brother, my sister, till today, we are praying. Since about 70 years ago, we have been praying for Nigeria. Till date, they tell me, who is that person that will make it okay? Majority of people have made it clear that Baba Tinubu ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ tètè kán tó faṣọ yín ya, ẹ tètè máa bọ̀ ní Yorùbá nation jẹ́jẹ́ ǹjẹ́ yín, kẹ́ tètè wá declare, kẹ́ for opportunity tẹ́ fi wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn sìn, kẹ́ sáré declare, kẹ́ declare Yorùbá nation kó tó pẹ́ jù. Opportunity tẹ́ fi wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn, because àwọn people yìí wọ́n ready àti faṣọ yín ya o. Oh my God, that's exactly what we are talking about. Well, I always say that Chief Sunday Igboho is a God sent, and he will continue to be vindicated, either the enemy likes it or not. And exactly what it is, my people, onto this one. Majority of things though are actually been said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.